In the box it is clearly mentioned like this is an Indian product and also 24 months warranty and a QR code which will take you to a website for registration of the warranty. And the components in the box are pretty standard. The GoPro battery, this is all common. In this bundle it includes a handle, a head strap, a camera case and also an extra battery. On the other side of the box there are the common specifications of the camera, and upon opening the box there will be a hard carry case. It is hard and it can just like protect your camera, not like a soft pouch. It is an hard case. The quality of this carrying case is very good. Upon opening the case we have some documents, okay, and the first document is mentioning like your camera must be updated before you can use it, so that the camera will be in the latest firmware. And the next document is just a advertisement like subscribe to the GoPro Plus, which unfortunately is not available in India, but still we have this pamphlet. This one is a small quick start guide. This is the whole manual in the out of all these papers, okay. There are no manuals in this box. I think we have to figure it out everything on our own. Next is the stickers and just about the Enduro battery. One thing about the sticker is one of the sticker is just not aligned properly. My bad though, I'm just unlucky maybe. And this one is not a manual, just safety regarding about the camera, okay, like don't overuse it, like don't use it in heat conditions, etc. And I couldn't understand this one, okay. It's like a lifetime warranty paper and I don't know why they have used this. If outside they have mentioned like 24 months warranty, I think I have to just read it out in the web. And coming to the case, the first one is the handler and the material is so soft, okay. I think it might float, I'm not sure, since all the floating products from GoPro have orange color, so it might float, I'm not sure, okay. And it can also have a tether so that you can just hold it in your hand, and this is a common mount, okay. And under it we have two screws and also a USB to type C cable. No adapter is given, just a cable like all the smartphones. And these are the two screws which are pretty basic, okay, nothing special in here. And in the next compartment we have the head strap. This is the 2.0 version, they call it 2.0, I don't know why. So that's just, you know, like just having it in the head, nothing special about it. And the next one are this one, okay, this mount to attach the folding fingers of your GoPro, and you can just screw it here. And the next one is a curved mount, and I don't know how we can use this. It won't fix in most of the helmets since the helmet will be more curved, and I don't know where we can use this. As you can see, even if I lay it in my hand with a little curve, there are some gaps, so I don't know where I will use it. And the next one are the two batteries, okay. In the normal only one battery will be given. Since this is a bundle, we have another battery. So this is the connecting pin, and above is just to like we can use it to remove the battery easily from the GoPro. And at last we have the GoPro itself, which is pretty tough to take it from the case. I mean, like the cutting is not perfect. They can given a transparent sticker, okay, instead of this white stickers. You know, usually in smartphones we have a transparent sticker. You can just use it as a screen guard instead of this white sticker, which we have to remove it ultimately. And this is the front display. So front display is not touch, only the back display is touch. and this color is one of the kind. Okay, all the earlier GoPros just come in like a black or grayish color, and this one has a like something like a sprinkled effect. Okay, I'm not sure how we can call this. And here comes the final one, the display, and at the left there is a LED indicator in the display and also a GoPro mention. These are the two folding fingers along with the tripod mount at the center. This is the LED, okay, at the left top, and at the bottom it's written GoPro. Above is the shutter button, and on the left hand side it is mode. Okay, and I'm just figuring to how to open the case. Okay, just watched a YouTube video since there are no manuals, literally no manuals, and I couldn't find how to open it. Actually in this part the case is already open and I'm just figuring how to lift it up. So upon opening there is a battery case and also a slot where you put the SD card, micro SD card to be particular, and I'll just show you my micro SD card. There is a forum on the website, on the GoPro website. They will be mentioning what are the supported SD card. I have bought a 256 from the SanDisk X, since while taking in 4K or 5.2K it takes more space. And just a simple press and it will lock into it. And the next is battery, which they call as Enduro battery, and the normal batteries will come in blue color previously, and this comes in grey color, which I like, by the way. So the handle you can just pull it out, and now here you can see the Type-C port also, and now we have to close, just press it and push it up. Okay, I'm trying to figure it out since I'm new to using the GoPros. Finally I have locked it, and let's turn it on. Okay, and again for turning it on I have to just watch a YouTube video since I couldn't figure out which button we have to use. Press it. There are two buttons, one is the shutter button and the next one is mode button. Actually they have to include a manual, okay, or else at least they have to include anything like a QR code which takes it to a website and gives the manual. Actually in the website there is a manual, okay, section by section in the forum itself, but you know, if a newcomer is just turning it on, I couldn't figure it out. So now we have turned on the camera, so let's just set it up using the quick app. These are just the normal settings, and there's also option of voice control. I just turn it off. So now we have to open our phone and go to the quick app. I'll also post a review video soon for this GoPro. I'll make sure that it's a fully fledged review video, and I'll make sure like the video quality is better than this one. Here it is full of noise since I didn't have any lighting at the time of unboxing, and also I'll just post some other videos about GoPro, like the accessories. You know, like just buying the GoPro is not enough. If you are a vlogger, you need an adapter and a case. Similarly, like many other accessories, okay, we also need a charging box since we can't charge both the batteries at the time. Now we have to just charge the GoPro by just plugging in the Type-C, but since we have two batteries, and if we have more batteries we can't just charge it one by one, so we need a charging case. I will also put a review up on it, and I'm also buying some more accessories. So hopefully I'll just post a video as soon as possible for the remaining accessories.